Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Jobs. So in this video I am going to publish a new requirement, which is automation tester. I need an automation tester who has good hands-on experience in Selenium tool. If you are a manual tester who wants to switch into automation, do share your resume to me. Let me have a glance on your resume. And if you have basic understanding or have you done any POC project in Selenium, well and good, please share your resume to me, because I have close to 20 plus positions right now for automation testing, but Selenium framework. I don't want any QTP people, I need only Selenium, because a lot of companies has upgraded to Selenium. They have stopped using QTP frameworks. If you have good hands-on experience in doing automation testing along with the Selenium and writing scripts in VB script, well and good, that is all I want. So if this requirement suits you, please share your resume to me. In fact, I have given the job description in this video below, and also my email ID. If you have any doubts with regards to this, do feel free to share your details or any queries to me in the email. I will surely respond you back. Again, we don't have any constraint with regards to location. If you are from Kerala to Delhi, anywhere in India, you can apply for this opportunity. In terms of compensation, we can discuss further once you share your resume to me. And one more thing which I have is, I have posted few more job requirements in my past videos. Please go do and check out those videos. If you know any Java developer or any IT professional working in IT organization looking out for a job change, please share your resume to me. Surely I'll get in touch with you. And thanks for watching.